Thinking about renovating your home? Stop for just 90 seconds, because one wrong decision could cost you thousands. Not every renovation adds value. In fact, some of the most expensive projects barely increase your home's resale price. So, where should you invest first? Start with the kitchen. Even simple upgrades like new cabinet hardware, modern lighting, fresh paint, and updated countertops can completely transform the space without a full remodel. Next, the bathroom. Replacing old fixtures, installing a new vanity, updating mirrors, and adding brighter lighting instantly makes your home feel newer and more luxurious. Want the highest return for the least money? Paint. A fresh coat of neutral-colored paint can make rooms look larger, brighter, and cleaner. Don't forget curb appeal. A new front door, modern house numbers, outdoor lighting, landscaping, and pressure washing can dramatically improve first impressions in just one weekend. Replacing old flooring with luxury vinyl plank or hardwood-style flooring is another upgrade buyers love, because it's durable, stylish, and easy to maintain. And here's a mistake many homeowners make. They renovate for trends instead of timeless design. Choose neutral colors, quality materials, and energy-efficient upgrades like LED lighting, smart thermostats, new insulation, and energy-efficient windows. These improvements not only make your home more comfortable, they can also help reduce utility bills. The secret isn't spending more, it's spending smarter. The right renovation can increase your home's value, improve your daily life, and save you money for years to come. Follow for more home renovation ideas, DIY tips, smart home upgrades, and real estate advice that help you build a better home.